I will explain how to make fingerless mittens using crochet rubber knitting. First, I will explain the overall flow. For these fingerless mittens, start crocheting from the fingertip side and make a thumb hole halfway through. After that, reduce the number of stitches to narrow the crochet tube, and crochet the wrist part to complete it. There are 3 things we need to measure before you start crocheting. These are the lengths around the palms and the wrists. The other thing is the number of stitches will make 10 centimeters when you crochet single crochet stitches with the yarn to be used. Use these numbers to calculate the stitches around the palms and wrists. First, let's figure out the number of stitches around the palm. First, calculate the number of stitches required for single crochet, then multiply it by 2 to get the necessary number for rib crocheting. The conversion factor is set to 2 so the fingers can be moved freely. Similarly, calculate the number of stitches around the wrists. Since I want a snug fit around the wrists, I multiply it by 1.6. In my case, the palm circumference is 20 centimeters, the wrist circumference is 17 centimeters, and the number of single crochet stitches of 10 centimeters is 19. Then, the number of stitches of rib crocheting around the palm was 76, and the number around the wrist was 52. Well then, let's crochet it. Crochet a tube with 76 stitches in each round. You can make this tube tall enough to cover your fingertips, or you can make it shorter. Please crochet as high as you like. Next, let's make a thumb hole. Crochet chain stitches and make a hole halfway through the round. The number of skipped stitches should be about 1/8 of a round, and make twice as many chain stitches. After making the hole, crochet the tube up to the base of the thumb. From this point, decrease the number of stitches to narrow the tube to fit the wrists. There are currently 86 stitches in one round, and I want to have 52 stitches around the wrists, so I need to reduce this by 34. First, decrease 2 stitches in the thumb area, then decrease 8 stitches in each of the following 4 rounds. When decreasing, crochet the 2 stitches on the front side together and then the 2 on the back side together, reducing the original 4 stitches to 2. You can decrease the stitches anywhere, but in this example, we reduce them evenly on both sides of the wrist shown in the figure. Once you have decreased the number of stitches, finish by crocheting the wrist section to your desired length. In this example, I tried crocheting each part with the number of rounds in the figure. That was the way of crocheting basic fingerless mittens with rib crocheting. It is stretchy all over and fits snugly in your hands. Although we used rib crocheting for all the parts, you could combine it with other stitches. It is also good to make the hand part a highly decorative fabric and use rib crocheting only for the wrist part. Please try various things. Thank you for watching.